Welcome everyone to this video tutorial. This is me, MD Shaukat Hasan, Assistant Teacher, Bodogangni Government Primary School, Alamdanga, Chowdhury. Children learners, today I'll present language game. Okay, let's play the language game Bingo. And this is a very funny game. I think you will enjoy it very much. To play this game, we have to know the rule how to play the game at first. Otherwise, we will not able to play the game. Okay. To play this game, you have to take this type of sheet in which you can use number or letter. Okay. I have taken two sheets here. Both sheets contain 1 to 25 number, but their order is not same. In the left sheet, the number begin with 24, and in the right sheet the number begin with 2. Okay, you can play the game with 2 or more participants. Okay, one participant will say a number and another 2 or more have to cross the number of their sheet. Okay, like this. If anyone say 2, if anyone say 2, you have to cross 2, like this. You have to cross 2 on your own sheet, and you have to bear in mind that you have to create a line of cross like this. If you manage to create a line vertically, horizontally, or in any other shape, then you will be able to write a number. For the first time, you have to write B. Okay. After that, if you create another line, you can write I. After that, you will able to write N, and finally Z-O. Okay, now we'll try to play it. I hope that you will enjoy it very much. Let's start. I will start with the number 3. Okay, children learners, look at the number 3, red pointed area. Okay, the board sheet will be crossed. 3 have been crossed in the left sheet and crossed in the right sheet. After that, it's 8 have been crossed in the left sheet, and now it will be crossed at the right sheet. Look at this in the red pointed area. Okay, now I'll continue to play this game. 3, 8, it's 12 now. 12 have been crossed in the board sheet. It's 11 now, and finally it's 15 now. Yes, tender learners, a line have been created, and as I say before, now you can write the first letter of bingo, B. Isn't it interesting? I hope that you are enjoying this game very much. Yes, it's B. We'll go through. Now it will be 21. 21 cross in the left sheet, now right sheet. It will be 24. 24 cross the board sheet. It will be 6 now. 6 cross the board sheet, and finally it will be 5. We have been able to create another line, angular line. Okay, now what can I do? Yes, I hope all of you know that. We'll write now I, the letter I, the next letter I. Yes, we have written it. Now it's time to cross 20. 20 will be crossed in the board sheet. Now it's time to 9. Yes, 9 will be crossed in the board sheet. It's 25 now. 25 crossed in the board sheet. We're nearly going to create another line. It's 1 now. 1. It's 16 now. 16 have been crossed in the board sheet. And we have been able to create another line. What should we write now? Yes, thank you very much. We'll write now the letter N. The next letter N. Yes, it is. We'll go through. Continue playing. It's time to cross 4. 4 have been crossed in the board sheet. Now it's 12. Yes, we have been able to create another line, and we'll write the next letter G. Tender learners, we are 1 letter short to complete our game. Okay, I hope that we'll complete it shortly. It's time to cross 10. Yes, it is. It's bingo. I hope that you have been enjoyed this game very much, and all of you come to know how to play this game. Tender learners, isn't it very interesting? Yes, it is very interesting. So thank you very much for being with me. We'll see in our next video class or tutorial. Till then, Allah Hafiz.